Hey, good morning, friends, neighbors, YouTubers. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting here in front of a little old fire here. This is my little old camping spot here. I'm over here at Cedars of Lebanon State Park, south of Lebanon, Tennessee. Real nice place, not too bad. Got down about 30 degrees last night. It's about 12:30 now, probably about 48, 50 degrees. But just sitting out here watching the fire and grilling some burgers on the grill over there, and some potatoes. Want to have some baked beans or whatever. But anyway, thought I'd check in and let y'all know what's going on. Anyway, see y'all later.